There's no need to hide if you've made a mistake. Be mature enough to tell the truth. Don't put the blame on anyone or anything else. Assume responsibility. Take ownership of the mistake, admit to it, apologize for it. Fix it and not repeat it. That's the only way to grow. The sad reality is people can attack you physically, verbally or any other way for no apparent reason. Perhaps they don't like the way you look, how you dress, the company you keep, etc. But senseless acts are on the rise. Such is the way of the world today. Stay woke. Almighty, give us the strength to respond with goodness when we're not being treated the way we should be. Help us to be guided by what you've taught us and not by our emotions when dealing with difficult people. May we always be steered to make the right choice in such situations. Trust the Almighty to give you the best outcome to your problem. Our limited wisdom doesn't allow us to see certain things. But He can see the future and beyond. So when things don't turn out the way you expect, trust Him to have always considered your best interest. That's faith. When you're able to accept everything that happens to you as part of the Almighty's plan, you're on the road to something greater. You feel a sense of ease. Remember, one day, all the pieces of the puzzle will fit and you'll be so pleased that you were patient right till the end. Don't worry about those who talk bad about you behind your back. The Almighty is all-knowing and all-seeing. He heard them. He will protect you and grant you blessings. You can't stop people from talking, but you can control how you respond to them. Stay above the fray. When you're doing well and making good progress, others will try to plant seeds of doubt and negativity all round. Bear patience. Don't worry. The Almighty's in full control. No one can touch you when He's with you. Keep your focus on the task ahead. Don't be distracted. Always be kind. Motivate, empower, encourage and spread goodness. Do your best always. If your actions are not reciprocated, that's okay. Keep going. It will all bear fruit one day. And if you find yourself not able to do any of that, the least you can do is to not hurt others. If you've left the Almighty out of your equation for some time because of your repeated sins, it's time to seek Him out again today. Don't waste any more time. Get back on track. He's waiting to forgive you. He will heal you and make you whole again. Just one sincere repentance. Don't be complacent about the good deeds you do. There's no such thing as auto-acceptance from the Almighty. In this age of social media where everything is up for the world to see, it gets even more difficult. Are you doing it for Him or for the likes and accolades from people?